Welcome back to QUIZZO. Ready for the next challenge? In this quiz, you have to guess 50 flags. You only have 3 seconds per answer. This is the medium level. Good luck! Kenya. Next flag. Chile. Singapore. Which flag is this? This is Uruguay. Ivory Coast. Next one. This is Peru. Iceland. Do you know which flag this is? Romania. This is Jamaica. Belarus. Next flag. Venezuela. Cuba. Next one. Bulgaria. Which flag is this? Kazakhstan. Tunisia. Do you know which flag this is? This is Serbia. Costa Rica. Next flag. This is Cameroon. Qatar. Next one. This is Somalia. United Arab Emirates. Paraguay. Which flag is this? This is Slovenia. Afghanistan. Next one. Iraq. Ethiopia. Do you know which flag this is? Ecuador. Next flag. This is Slovakia. Panama. Next one. This is Niger. Senegal. Democratic Republic of Congo. Mozambique. Which flag is this? Myanmar. Next one. Bolivia. Next flag. New Zealand. Do you know which flag this is? Bosnia and Herzegovina. Haiti. Next one. This is Angola. Malaysia. Which flag is this? This is Mali. Burkina Faso. Do you know which flag this is? Azerbaijan. Guatemala. Next flag. This is Cambodia. Sudan. Next one. This is Uganda. Tanzania. Do you know which flag this is? Nepal. Last flag. This is Sri Lanka. Excellent. Pick your next challenge. And please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the QUIZZO channel. Thank you. See you soon.